See which one you working, bitch. And I'm too slimy for the bill, bust some hundred shit. Big fat, big red, back in big set, got a big bag, I'm saying big head. I'm on this strong, what's that? Muscle CPAP. They want my spot and don't deserve it, can't forget that. Who you hitting, how you mix that? I was the first nigga in the party, eat down shade like a garden. Boy, ain't nobody gon' love a car, see you know I'm coming like I'm Cardi. I'll expose you niggas and bitches, I'm back in that morning thing. You niggas is getting too big for your britches, you need some new clothes and things. Why everybody hit money bag? It's the topic, nigga. Be on me, cost a bag. Water faucet, nigga. Never ever did some fucking shit like pay to take a nigga off a show. She a green like she a go. Mac on a fucking duck on. When I get big fat.
That OG, all my niggas scared they make money on the moon. I be cheating on the night, making sure I'm get up home. When I travel around the globe, make a couple million show. And I come back to my city, I fuck every girl I know. Just to walk out with a side, try to mattress on the phone. Now my shit straight, eating all day, tryna lose weight. That good sex, so sweat it out. Hotel bed springs, we'll wear it out. I ain't gotta tell you, cause you know, man. You know, man. Every time I try to forget who I am, I'll be right there. I run away from my problems. Don't bother me.